I was just observing a bird nest that's on my back porch. Have you ever seen a bird nest before? They're really cool. Now, birds make nests so they have a safe place to keep their eggs until they hatch. This one looks like it's made of straw and some grass maybe, and the bird found a nice little hole to build the nest in. Oh, here's the bird right here, look! Some birds build nests like this one. Other birds dig burrows in the ground. And some birds just make a scratch on the rocks and lay their eggs right there. That gives me an idea for a song. Alright, so this song is called The Bird Nest Rock. And when I say in the song, "Hey bird," I want you to go like this. Hey bird! Okay? And then anytime that I say nest, I want you to go like this. Like you're building a nest, okay? Think you can do that? Alright, here we go. Wow, that was really a lot of fun. So glad you stopped by. I'll see you very soon.